welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're gonna do the second tutting combo of this new tutting combo series. Okay, the last one we ended off like right here, so we're actually gonna continue from that same angle. Okay, here we go. So last time we ended up right about here, where this one's pointing up, this one's pointing down, and you're connected at the wrist. Okay, so on one, here we go. You're gonna go turn. All right, you got that? So from here, turn, and then you're gonna go here. All right, so one more time, turn, go here, and this is gonna push outward like that. Okay, you're gonna separate. All right, one more time. So from here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, make sure this is straight across, and then as soon as you open it, make sure you have enough space right here for your hands to connect. Okay, so here's what I mean. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you don't know what I did this going out, then rotating it in. Okay, the other one is going this way and rotating out, so they both separate, rotate, and they connect right here in the middle. Okay, boom, boom, and the count is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see how I did that? I went 3 and 4 like that. So you want to really drag it out. Boom, from here, go down like that. So one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this part is a little hard. You're gonna make sure you want to stretch this part so that you can bring up your elbow pointing straight up to the ceiling while this stays like that. Okay, so all that is just this picture right here, but you flip it, and it's gonna take 2 counts. So boom, boom, and then this hand's gonna slide across, so that's another 2 counts, and then another 2 counts, and all you're doing is flipping it over to this side. Okay, so this goes in and this goes out like that. Okay, so this one's a little hard, so make sure you do a lot of stretching. Okay, stretch all of this and all of this. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Once you get to here, rotate down. 3, 4. And all I did was take my elbow, fold it down, and then 5, 6. Okay, you're gonna bring this up and over, and then once it comes over, you're gonna wrap it around. Okay, so up, over, wrap around until you get back to the middle. Okay, so you're scooping it in a circular motion and then bringing it to the middle. Okay, from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then go 1. So right here you drop 1, bring it back, 2, 3, 4. So this motion, try not to go all over the place with it. It looks fancy, but really try to stay isolated. Okay, try to keep it at the center. It's gonna move slightly, but try to adjust and stay centered. Okay, so you just did, here, let's start from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get here, you're gonna open up 5. Make sure this is a right angle. 6, slide over. 6, bring it back. 7, flip it up. 8. Okay, this flip is a little tricky because you got to give yourself some space. You see how I kind of lean back? I'm leaning back a little bit and then going like that. Okay, boom, boom. So from here, 6, 7, 8. And I kind of cheated a little, but I kind of drop my arm so that this fits right here. Okay, because normally it would probably go too high. So you want to make sure that it goes here, here, 7, 8. Oh, see, there's a little gap. Let's try that again. Boom, boom, boom. That's what you want right there. Okay, once you get to here, go out, fold it down, fold it open, bring this out, bring it front, here, up, and out. One more time from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Complete. That is the second combo for this second series of tutting. If you want to watch any of the first combos from the first series, they're way back, like maybe a couple of weeks ago, but those are really fun to practice. But these ones, they're going to be a little bit harder, so take your time, go slow. I'm going to do the whole thing one more time for you to see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. Here, 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 here. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. All right, make sure you practice, take your time, go slow, make sure you stretch, and then when you feel comfortable, try to do a little faster, okay? And that's it. I'll see you next time. Peace out.